Hey guys, let's do some prank calls. Let's see, I'll just do... hit the call. Speaker.
Hello?
Hey!
What?
Hey, Sarah.
Yeah.
Did you make the pizza?
The pizza.
The pizza for the pizza and the cookies for the bake sale?
No. I don't know who this is.
You're supposed to make 300 pizzas.
Okay.
I need them in 15 minutes.
Good for you.
Who is this? Leave me alone.